Good evening. I'm Chanel, vehicle title expert and owner of Wisdom and Authority Title Solutions. I thank y'all so much for tuning in and thank you in advance for subscribing. Tonight, I will be starting a new series entitled The 4 Types of Auto Titles for Processing, or the 4 Basic Types of Auto Titles. This series is very important because it will help you to communicate your title needs to the DMV more effectively. I did a video a while back letting you know that titles are created or processed by the DMV based on your circumstance or your situation. So that's very important. Tonight, I will be talking about the original auto title. And the original auto title is when a transaction for that title record is established for the very first time for an owner or owners when they buy a vehicle. It doesn't have to be brand new, but it's a title record that's created for the owner or owners for the very first time when they purchase that vehicle. Okay. The original title is important because it sets a foundation for that title record or that title history that will soon develop once the title is created. Some things you want to be mindful of during the original title process is number one, sales tax. If you are in a state that collects sales tax will be collected just one time unless you are exempt. Another thing that will take place is if you purchase a vehicle and it's financed, that lien or liens will be recorded as well. Another thing that will take place is the odometer reading will also be recorded. And lastly, you will have a title number issue for that newly created record. So those 4 things that I just mentioned are the main factors of an original title being created. One thing about the original title process is you have the opportunity to be mindful of any potential mistakes that can occur. So this is the time that you want to make sure that your name or the other names of the owners are present on the title. There's no misspellings. The odometer reading has been put on correctly. If there's a lien, you want to make sure the lien has been filed correctly as well. And, just make sure everything that you submitted on paper is reflected on that title record. That's the earliest and best time to make sure that you have, taken your time to review any potential mistakes that the DMV could have made or any mistakes that you may have made as well. You don't want to wait months or years down the road to review the title record if you don't have to. Try to review what I've just shared, once your vehicle has been titled. If you have any questions pertaining to original auto titles, visit me and my team at wisdomandauthority.com or drop me a line below. Please check me out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Click share and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. I hope to hear from you soon.